Good day everyone. Today I'll be presenting the website for the Chades, a local food business that has made its way into the digital space. This website serves as a hub for customers to explore the brand story, food offer, and location, even lives review. Let's take a journey throughout each part of the website to understand how it works and how it reflects the personality of the business.
The homepage is designed to make a strong first impression. At the top, we see a bright yellow header with the Chadis logo and the simple navigation menu for easy browsing. Below that, the website highlights bestsellers with images and names of products and the map. This section is very important because it visually communicates what Chadis is best known for: authentic and delicious Filipino meals. Next, the About page. Moving on up to the About page, the section titled Our Story tells us how Charos began in 1985, started by Lola Chayong and Lola Cedes in Santa Cruz, Manila. We also see here we displayed the demo reel for Chades. So the demo reel here shows the nostalgic photos of the storefront that give the user a glimpse into the business heritage and some of our products. Next, the menu page. The menu page is where the user can explore the full list of available meals. The layout uses a row of images cards for each dish, paired with the name and price, like chicken silog, 95 pesos, pares, 65 pesos, and so on. Everything is clean, evenly spaced, and responsive. One suggestion for improvement would be to include a short description of each dish for those who might be unfamiliar with Filipino food. But overall, this page achieves its purpose to quickly show customers what's on offer.
So the contact page. The contact page serves two main functions. First is the embedded Google Map to show the physical location at 3140 Alvarez Street, Santa Cruz, Manila. Second is to provide a contact form where user can type their names, email, and message. This is useful for inquiries, feedback, or even bulk order. The design keeps everything centered and easily to read. The color scheme remains consistent with the rest of the site: yellow, brown, and white. So next on, the gallery page. The gallery page features real photo of a customer enjoy meals at Chades. This is a powerful section because it builds trust and reliability. All the images are uniform in size and arranged in a grid layout. This this not only look visually balanced but also show how active and friendly the dining environment is. This photo is act as social proof. Visitor can see real people eating and having a good time at the restaurant. So the next is the review page. The review page is where customer feedback come to life. On the left, there, there there's a form where user can input their name, comments, and star rating. This creates engagement and also allows future visitor to read past review. On the right, previous review are displayed in card form with name, code, and star rating. This is essential for credibility and show that Chades value customer input. This kind of interactive features make the sites feel more alive and community focused.
So now let's talk about the design element. The site uses Flexbox and CSS for layout control. The images in the menu and gallery are all set to the same width for a cleaner look. Buttons are styled with borders, rounded corners, and the hover effects to make them interactive. The navigation bar is consistently placed across pages, ensuring easy access. The fonts are clear and readable, and colors are used smartly. Yellow for energy, brown for warmth, and white for cleanliness. All of this contributes to a seamless, easy to navigate website that mirrors the homey, welcoming experience Chavez aims to give its customers.
So, conclusion and suggestion. In conclusion, Charges.site successfully translate a physical dining experience into a digital platform. It introduced the business showcase product, content, connect with customer and build credibility through real photo and review. For the future, the website could add an online ordering or delivery system, social media, interrogation, a mobile-first design for better phone usability. Overall, Chades.site is a great example of how even small local business can benefit from a well-designed website to reach more customers and build stronger relationships. Thank you for listening. I hope this give you a clear idea of what makes Chades.site, especially both as website and as a business.